So, may I ask, did you bring your admission slip with you? Yes. Thank you. So, please sign this attendance sheet. To formally start, can you fill up this self-assessment guide? Check yes if you already know the current competencies or core competencies, and no if you don't. So, Ms. Pangados, I can see that you don't have any idea about slices and joints. And Ms. Upgang, in detailed drawing, right? So, to give an overview, you will take a electrical installation maintenance NC2, and the unit of competencies are basic, common, and core. But you will take the core competencies or the slices and joints. So, here's the list of basic, common, and core competencies. So, what are the purpose of this assessment? So, the purpose of this assessment is for you to have a National Certificate 2 in Electrical Installation and Maintenance, and to have an opportunity to the other industries. And then, the assessment procedures that you will do is first, the orientation, second, the direct observation and oral questioning. Third is the demonstration. And fourth is the giving of certificate. So, in giving of certificate, you will know if you are competent and not competent enough. So, once again, welcome to Technical Education and Skills Development Authority. So, these are the allowable adjustments that we will offer to you during the assessment period. So we have here language, disabilities, and safeties. So does any one of you have an issue with the allowable adjustment? Yes, Ms. Upang.
I-prefer ko na sana is Tagalog na lang po yung magiging language natin para po mas maintindihan po natin kung paano po i-demo yung certain skills.
Okay. We will adjust to it during the assessment period, Ms. Upang. Thank you. So, these are the safety during the assessment period. There are 5. These are the do's. And here's the don'ts. So, do you have any questions or clarifications before we start? Okay. So, we will proceed. So, before we proceed to our assessment, so what is Competency Assessment Agreement Sheet? So, the Competency Assessment Agreement Sheet is dito nalalaman kung ano yung mga competencies na hindi nyo pa alam and yung malalaman nyo pa lang. So, before we conduct your demonstration or assessment, here's the floor plan. So, nakadikit na ito sa mga corridors ng ating room. So, ito yung magiging guide nyo kung saan kayo pupunta during the assessment. So, may I call on Ms. Upgang and Ms. Pacaldo, please follow me to the practical work area to start your assessment. So, sabi nga po ni Ms. Upgang, ang magiging instruction natin ngayon is Tagalog. So, kapag nangali kayo, pwede po kayong umupo. And if you have any question, kapag may tanong po kayo, pwede kayo magtanong, pero hindi regarding sa slices and joints. So, naiintindihan po ba? So, bago tayo mag-start, andyan na po lahat ng tools and materials na gagamitin nyo. So, you have 10 minutes to do a rough tail joint. Good luck, candidates.
Ma'am, ito na po yung rat tape.
Thank you, Isuga. So, now that you done, I have one question. Can you name 3 essential tools needed to make a good slice?
Ano po? Screws and three types of screws po. Long nose, diagonal, and long nose, diagonal, and screw.
Thank you, Isuga. So, just wait there. Thank you, Ms. Pacalo. So, now that you're done, I have one question for you. Why is it important to clean and organize your work area before starting with lessons and journals?
I think po, kailangan po maging malinis yung practical work area para makaiwas na rin po sa mga sa hazard po na nangyayari.
Okay. So, we will now proceed to the contextual laboratory area. Please follow me, candidates. So, good job, candidates, for completing your assessment period. So, before I will give feedback and certificate to whom are you passed, let us have the best answers rules of evidence. So, these are the rules of evidence in TESDA. So, to formally start our feedback and soon, may I call on first Ms. Pacaldo in institutional assessment. And please wait here, Ms. Pacaldo. Are you ready for my feedback, Ms. Pacaldo?
Yes.
So, during your assessment, I can see that you are not competent enough, but you can do a reassessment and retake the assessment again. Pero kasi nakikita ko, hirap na hirap ka sa pagbabalat ng wire and pag-i-splice ng mga wire. Pero magagawa na kaya ng paraan, Ms. Pacado. You can always go back to in TESDA para mag-retake ulit. So, despite that, nakikita ko naman yung hard work mo during the assessment and I salute you for that. Congrats, Miss Pacado, and better luck next time. Thank you. Miss Ugang, can you please follow me to institutional? So, are you ready for my feedback, Miss Ugang? Yes. So, during the assessment, I can see that malinis ka naman sa work area mo and mabilis mo rin nabalatan yung mga wires and na-slices and joints po naman sila. And nakikita ko naman na hindi ka masyadong nahirapan during the assessment and nasagot mo naman yung mga tanong na tinanong ko during the assessment. So, I can say that you are competent enough to this slice and joints unit of competency. So, here is your national certificate book. Congratulations, Miss Ugang. Please proceed to the contextual apartment. So, now that you're here in your institute, candidates will be so sad kasi pwede niyo pa siyang i-retake or i-reassessment, but also, congrats to the both of you for completing the assessment procedure. So, in completing your assessment procedure, pwede na tayo pumunta sa ating manager para ma-promote ko kayo and ma-recommend ko kayo sa kanya. At mabigyan na kayo ng mga opportunities sa mga industries na gusto niyo pasok kayo. So, may ito ang Miss Ugang and Miss Pacado. We'll go to Miss Agutaya, your manager. Please wait. Please follow me, Miss Pacado and Miss Ugang. Hi, ma'am. Good morning. Ma'am, this is Miss Pacado and Miss Ugang. So, tapos na po sila sa assessment procedure nila and both of them did good naman po. And si Miss Pacado mo naman po, she's not confident enough, but she can do reassessment po. You can guide her po during the assessment. And this is Miss Ugang, siya naman po yung confident enough. So, ito po yung mga assessment package na ginamit po namin. So, here are the rating sheet.
Thank you. So, ito po yung mga review ng information.
Yes po. And here's the competency assessment agreement sheet. And the other requirements. Thank you, Ms. Agutaya. Please follow me, Ms. Pacado and Ms. Ugang in the contextual area. Thank you. So, as I pass the documentation and endorsement to your manager, that's the end of your assessment and orientation today, candidates. Once again, thank you for showing your skills and knowledge during the assessment. Congrats to the both of you.